Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create a sales funnel using WordPress. So first we need to, the plugin we'll be using is Cartflows, yes, with Elementor. So just search it. So this is it. Install it right there. Activate it. So it is activated. Now click on it. So you can see we have no flows. So go to settings. So this, I told you, you'll be using Elementor to design the page. So, and that's it. So let's add a new flow. And you also have to know that this particular plugin works with a lot of WordPress page builders. So you can see these are ready-made templates that we can use. So we have a pro version as well. So if you don't have the pro, you can't use it, period. So now, before we can use this, we need to activate WooCommerce. So let's activate WooCommerce plugin. Just search the keyword WooCommerce. Because we are setting up a sales funnel, because we want to sell a product or a service. So, and WooCommerce is one of the best plugin that you can use to sell products and service. So we also be installing this as well to set up the payment gateway. So let's activate it. So let's try to set it up. So where is your store based? Somewhere on Jupiter, the country, let's say USA. So city, cities. So let's use this Mesa. So let's 852. So click continue. So let's say we are designing it for accessories. Is it physical product or is it subscription? So if you will be using everything, make sure to take everything. So how many products do you want to display? Let's use no. So continue. So you can just keep this since we are not using Elementor and since we are not using e-commerce to build our template. So you can skip this as well. So and that's it. Now let's go back to our Cartflows. So we can call this one add a new step. So we select a template. The network is a bit slow. So you can also create yours from scratch. So you just have to choose the landing, whether it's landing page or checkout page, thank you page, upsell page, downsell page, opt-in page. So choose it, then create your style, or we can use template. There seems to be an issue. Maybe we should start this all over again. Yeah, so this a landing page. This is checkout page, upsell page, downsell, thank you page, opt-in. Everything with WooCommerce. So let's try to design a landing page. So suppose we are designing a landing page for, let's say, for a ebook. So we are importing it and done. So let's look at what we did. Alright, so this is what we did. The landing page, very short. So let's try to edit it. So let's try to edit it. So by now you should be familiar with Elementor page builder. So just try to do what we're gonna do. So this is the video that is playing. Now let's go to YouTube and search for an ebook video. So let's just try to pick so
I made a prediction in 2016.
now this is the so you can see the video playing. Now let's so suppose we remove this image, the video will become clearer. Yes, so this is it. So if you clear this, you can see the video is much more better, and this actually looks good. So the ebook, so get it here, this is just a button for them to buy your ebook. So let's suppose this is your ebook. Let's find an awesome image. Okay, so suppose this is the ebook cover. So just come here, upload file. Insert your media, and that's it. You can also edit this as well. So I see you can all edit this as well. Now once you have done with editing your page, click on update. Now when people click get album now or get your ebook get yours now. All right, so when people click on that, where should it take them to? Let's come and set that up as well. So again, you come to Cartflows, go to flows, create new one, Alright, so let's import this. So as we can see, we have two flows here, the opt-in and the thank you. Now let's try to edit both of them. So it seems if you haven't named your page, you won't get all these options. So try naming your page before installing anything. So just update. So this is the ebook page. And this is the thank you. So let's try to add a button here that links. Alright. So suppose you have entered everything you need, everything you must enter about your ebook, every details. You now put a link here that will take them to this particular page. So you can see. So click on update. So definitely when people click that link, then they will be redirected to where they will purchase the ebook. And that's it. But now there's a more smarter way of doing this. Remember in the beginning we installed WooCommerce plugin. So what we do is create a new product. So let's try to upload a product image. Okay, description. So what is the price? Let's say $10. Now regular price is how much you sell the ebook normally, but sale price is the actual amount you'll be selling it for them. So you can enter something like $8. So once they see that it is normally $12 but you are selling it for $8, it is another way of getting customer to buy your product or your whatever you are selling. So you will add a file here that people will download since it is an ebook. So how to drive. So let's try to get an ebook on how to drive. Yeah, so we have Kindle ebook here, Amazon. Now I don't have that file with me, so I'm just gonna choose a dummy file here just to demonstrate what I am doing. So let's see. Okay, so suppose this is the ebook. So we have done that, but now what the ebook we uploaded, the website created a link for it itself. So that's it. So the link we came here to copy isn't useful anymore. So try to let us add gallery images. So this. All right. So publish. So we have published the product. Now let's come here. So we need to select a product. And that's the editor. This is another editor. So Let us add a product. Okay, so the product is showing beneath. Let's try to update and preview it. So let's see if you can get a short code. So I don't think there's a short code available. So it is telling us to select a simple virtual or free product from the meta settings. So let's try to locate that. So now we have entered our product. So this is the product, but it's still telling us to select a product from this particular section. So we have been able to add it. So when people buy your product, then they'll be redirected to the thank you page. Okay. So once you have designed all your pages, then make sure that you save it, and you make sure that they are they are in flow like this. So suppose you want this to come first, you just have to drag it. So make sure they are in order, and click on update. And that is how to create a sales funnel using Cartflows on WordPress. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.